Demystifying the ACT reading test. Types of passages. Hello, language learners. Today we'll be diving deep into a very specific yet important topic for all of you preparing for the ACT exam. We will explore the types of passages in the ACT reading test. Knowing what types of passages to expect can significantly boost your confidence and help you prepare better. Let's get started. The ACT reading test is designed to measure your reading comprehension. It's a 35-minute test with 40 questions. But did you know? These questions are based on 4 different types of passages. Yes, that's right. Understanding each of these passage types will give you an edge during your preparations. This type of passage is either a short story or an excerpt from a longer piece of fiction. Here, the focus is on characters, setting, plot, and the relationships among them. As you prepare, concentrate on understanding character motivations, plot developments, and themes. These passages might discuss topics in fields such as psychology, economics, history, or political science. It's essential to recognize the main idea and the author's perspective. Often, understanding the overall structure and argument of the passage will help you answer questions efficiently. Delving into the realm of arts and personal essays, the humanities passages can include discussions about dance, art, music, and more. Here, you might find discussions about a person's reflections on their life experiences or thoughts on a particular art form. Interpreting emotions and understanding the sentiments expressed are key for this type. These passages will touch upon fields like biology, chemistry, physics, and earth sciences. Don't worry, you don't need a science background. Focus on comprehending experiments, findings, and theories discussed in the passage. Be alert for comparisons or contrasts between different scientific concepts. And there you have it. The 4 main types of passages you can expect in the ACT reading test. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you familiarize yourself with each passage type and hone your strategies for tackling them, you'll be better prepared to ace the test. We hope this overview has been enlightening. Until next time, happy studying and keep turning those pages.